to Dubai to have Colombian food.
Namaste everyone, this is Eating with Man, and after traveling for 5 days, I've got some actual food now. So we have a ditty here, we've got some, what looks like Jamaican food. This is Colombian food, so made by Maria. So we've got some rice here, we've got some lentils.
Lentils, yeah.
What's this one?
I don't know.
Potatoes.
Potatoes, and then we've got some mixed salad here.
The
So-
potatoes are addition by the master. Wait one moment, I want to see your face.
It's really good, Maria.
You like it? Yeah.
These are noodles. Wow. Very nice.
Yeah, you never went to Colombia, so you didn't know.
Yeah.
In Colombia, this is how rice is with some noodles.
Have you been to Colombia?
No. First time.
That's fine.
But I made this happen. I'm the one who put
So
the
I
food.
forgot to tell her, and then she messaged me saying, hey, it's like, oh, I forgot to tell you, Master said for you to cook tonight. She's like, oh, are you sure? I said, yes, I'm sure. You just told me. I forgot to tell you.
No, because I thought maybe tomorrow, so that way I could prepare
Mentally.
physically, spiritually. everything.
Come, eat now. It's very good.
I'm happy you liked it. I made it with a lot of love.
Taste.
What happened to the cows? Josh
They
cut them.
disappeared
They're in here somewhere.
because I chopped
I
them.
thought you went as cook carrots.
They're in here somewhere.
Yeah, because I chopped them very, very small, so you only have the taste, but not the thing
Where is it?
But not the side.
Lentils?
in
So
the
it melted?
lentils.
Mm.
In the lentils. So I put
So we
them
can't
on
see
a
your
pan.
contribution.
But you can taste it.
I put them on a pan with a little bit of olive oil and pepper and salt, so they become soft, and then I add them to the lentils. So that gives taste, but because sometimes it takes more time for the carrot to boil and to be like soft, so I didn't want you to feel that thing in the lentil. And everything else disappeared also.
I think
It's
that-
there, you can feel the taste, but you can't see it.
The potato is easier to eat.
And before you.
Yeah, because it's not myself.
That is what is giving the sweeter taste. The carrots.
The carrots could be. I also add pepper, tomato, celery, very small chopped celery,
Yeah.
and
You also
yes,
make
and
these
zucchini,
lentils.
zucchini for the salad.
Antonia is doing porridge all day. Did you cook the porridge?
And
Because I was asking everyone who had
I almost died.
Ah. It's rolling now.
Maybe it was the tomato.
And I didn't know how to measure the quantities,
So that looks good.
so we have lentils for the rest of the week.
It's perfect.
We can make lentil burgers with what is left.
You put chili?
Mm-hmm.
What chili? Green chili.
Aye, that tastes like my home.
See?
When I was doing the middle of the thing, I was like, I don't understand why this is not boiling, it's not boiling, and it was off.
Is that why?
Like I had to turn it off without noticing.
How do you boil lentils back home?
Is that in
With no
Colombia?
fire, with it off. In Colombia, it's very hot.
No, because
Ah.
we use pressure cooker.
Yes, with that special,
Yeah, but you don't get pressure cooker here, no?
how is
So
this thing called?
What?
Pans.
Pan.
No, tall,
Charades.
Pot. Pot.
pot.
Feel
So
like
it's like-
charades.
So it's like a pressure pot.
Mm.
So it's like, beep. It does like that
Yeah,
3 times.
that's a pressure cooker.
And the lentils
With a
are
whistle.
done like this, very fast.
Almost finished.
If anyone wants more, there's more of everything in the kitchen.
You said you'll share.
I
Have
You know what the
everything.
spices? Do you know what it is? It's potatoes. I went too much on it.
You added?
No, I made the potatoes.
Oh, you made a
I
potato?
didn't buy the chili sauce,
Oh, wow.
chili peppers. That was missing.
Yeah, it was
You asked something, no?
After I ate the
Hmm?
potato.
You also asked something. What spice?
What to buy?
But you
No, there's a message from you or from her?
Oh, about time. Yeah, that's kind
Maybe
of.
you guys were in supermarket then, but
Yeah.
I checked your message very late.
Imagine if we waited for someone to open the door. Oh, we'd still be downstairs.
What did you do then?
Someone came and just said, can we use your card?
So yeah, even I requested few people downstairs, but they refused. Then I called him.
Really?
They refused as in they didn't have access.
There's a buzzer by the door.
I still couldn't see.
Couldn't find.
Yes. By the door, next to security.
Oh, that side.
So you see the big two black doors, and then there's a buzzer right next to it. It's 201. Boom.
What?
So that rings here.
Aditi. I'm learning when to use it.
Have. I won't be able to finish.
You know what's funny? You're really not.
It's
This
that's
and
why.
this is so.
I'm full, but I want to eat more.
I'm so happy that you liked it.
I was also wait.
And usually in Colombia, when you do this, the next day you mix the lentils and the rice. So it's called calentado, like heat left over from the day before, and they put an egg on top, and that's a very
Do you know
Colombian.
it tastes just like Kenya? It just tastes like Kenya in Kenya. In Kenya we eat it, isn't it? In Kenya. That's how it just looks like that.
I was looking at the vegetables and a lot of things that look like Colombian because everything is different. Like for example, cucumbers here and also in England they have like these little veins. It's different, but in Colombia, for example, the cucumber is liso. How you say this? Like the skin is straight. And today I was looking at Kenyan things and they are very similar to Colombian things.
Because I really
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. They look the same. I was like, oh, this must be Colombian, and then it was like from Kenya, from Kenya, from Kenya. Just like the coffee also. Coffee is also made in Kenya.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
But I
Guess what I got for us?
Coffee.
Genuine. Yeah.
What? You don't want any?
Very
no,
good.
this is the vibe. No,
You like it just for reals, not because we're friends. Thank you, God. See? Some salutations. You can even cook from scratch.
Oh yeah. Have.
Yes. Maybe I should cook more because when I cook, I don't
You feel good.
get hungry. Why are you laughing? This is so cute. I like. Does it say
It
something?
says, yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Is that what?
Thank you.
So are we trying one different country each day of food?
Huh?
Are we trying one different country of food each day?
Tomorrow is Vietnamese.
Vietnamese too.
Vietnamese.
Summer rolls?
You know how to make the very thin
Summer
spring?
rolls?
Is it called summer?
If they have it in Dubai, I can make it. If they have it in Dubai.
No, make it from scratch.
the other day from scratch.
Noodles. Noodles
So
is
he
fine.
taught me how to make it with the flour.
Yeah.
It was really cool. You just turn it up like noodles. Were you there at the
You see the
Vietnam mastermind?
picture. My best friend talked to me. Well, my old best friend.
I feel like I'm in Jamaican food actually.
Mm.
It has a bit of resemblance, doesn't it?
I know what you mean.
He only
Like
cut the
rice-
carrots.
The rice, the rice has
I washed the rice as well.
I've never had it.
I used to get a credit card for food.
I feel like it's cooking food.
It's
Yeah,
really
man. Yeah, man.
What did you
It
do
looks
with the
more
salad?
tasty for food.
Like all the veggies and
No, the veggies they was like that.
Oh, rock.
So I just added
Right.
on top.
Let's add more
zucchini.
Zucchini.
And what did
I
you
just
do with
get
that?
some-
Steam.
Yeah, like that. That's right.
Just put them on the pan and it added a little bit of
Ketchup.
This looks like a...
olive oil
But tastes good.
Okay.
because
it.
the other
Recipe.
Do
oil.
you know how to cook Jamaican? How about Maltese?
Okay.
Maltese don't have to.
You don't? Well, then
The other option was spaghetti.
Have you
But I
ever
thought it was
have
too
you ever
easy.
eaten Malta before?
Yeah, that's yeah.
It's nice.
It's too easy. Is it?
You went to the little island, you know
Yes.
the island.
Man ate it all. That's a good thing. Ay, I'm so happy.
No, so
Ay,